$1,250. $1,250 just for hitting all of those fucking bonus symbols. $1,250 just for that. We're still in the bonus. This is Oldie Panda with Casual Gambling. Holy shit. 25 free spins. 25 free spins. Already got $1,250 right there. They're coming to pay me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, and 4. From the